In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your customer list to create custom audiences on Facebook ads. This process can supercharge your advertising approach by allowing you to target specific groups of customers based on your data. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for it directly in your browser or using a saved link. Once you're on the Ads Manager page, click on the Go to Ads Manager button. This will guide you into the main hub where all your campaign management happens. Next, you'll need to log in. Enter your email and password and then click Login. Make sure you have access to your account credentials because this is where it all begins. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the campaign's dashboard. This dashboard is an essential part of managing and creating your ad campaigns, and it's where we'll be doing some of the heavy lifting today. On the left hand side, you'll see a button labeled Audiences. Go ahead and click on that. The Audiences section allows you to manage all your current and potential customer targets and is a perfect place to develop custom audiences tailored to your needs. Once you're in, you'll want to find and click on Create a Custom Audience. Now here's where it gets interesting. You'll be presented with several options, but for this tutorial we're focusing on using your customer list. Select Customer List from the options. This selection enables you to import your own data directly and ensures that your ads reach those specific individuals you have in mind. Click Next to continue. Now you'll want to follow the instructions carefully to format your customer list correctly. Keeping your data well organized and structured according to Facebook's guidelines is crucial for a successful audience creation. You have the option to either upload a file with your list or to paste comma-separated values directly into the system. Choose the method that works best for you and that matches your pre-prepared data format. Once you've got your list uploaded or pasted, the final step is to select Import and Create. This action finalizes the process, taking your formatted list and transforming it into a usable custom audience available for your ad campaigns. Remember, custom audiences are a powerful way to ensure that your ads speak directly to the people most likely to engage with your brand. By using your customer list effectively, you enhance your ads' reach and relevance, giving you a better return on your marketing efforts. As always, ensure your customer data is collected and used in compliance with privacy laws and Facebook's advertising policies. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to creating custom audiences using your customer list in Facebook ads.